guys, what's up? Today we have another squishy packet. We have the Warrior Cat squishy box. It's got a clan logo and a green cat. So once again we have the trusty blue scissors, and we're going to open it. Last part we did the bird squishy box. So I'm going to be doing a vlog at Tasmania when I get there in October, maybe when I'm at Geelong too. Anyways, let's use these blue scissors. Okay, we're going to start from the top. So the snippy. And done. Sorry about that, I just need to grab something. Anywho, let's see what's inside the bag. Let's grab the checklist. Let me see, let me grab my green texters so we make sure we check them off. The colours. So it says here green is common, so let's find the green. I think I've already found the green common. It's got a question mark and a big green circle. It says common. I can already see the sticker popping up. That means we have to cut carefully. Try and get it open from this. And we have got a rusty sticker. Squishy. See? It's got his colour. It says R for Rusty. He's got his green eyes. Anyways, let's use our trusty. What colour is this? Khaki, whatever it's called, green. We'll just call it dark green. And we're going to use it to checklist off this common. So you see the nice green texture. And I'm going to tick it off. I'll show you. It says that. Common with the tick, see? Now, our next one is a red circle and it says rare. Let's find our rare one. Let's grab the beautiful packaging and look the little cap. Let's open the bag. And there's no way to see it. Okay, here's our red one. It says red. It's got a big question mark and a big red circle. So that tells us that it's a rare. So let's use our trusty scissors and cut carefully on the tip of the paper. And you can open. I see something. I see brown. I wonder which cat this is. It's Tiger Star. Here we go. Here's it. Plus he's got his nose going. His mean orangey looks. His black whiskers. His torn little ear. And our last but not least, but first we have to tick off one colour. Tick off our rare. And here is our rare. And last but not least will be our big blue dot legendary. The one and only legendary. Now this one you can see it's got a big circle question mark. It says legendary. It's a big squishy bag. So let's carefully cut it with these dark blue scissors. Let's open it. See that? And here we have is a scourge got his big purple collar with egg-shaped bones and light eyes, his black whiskers. And that's all. So we will tick off the legendary. And tick. Nice green marker. And here we have it. And I thought might as well, because I just 25 subscribers. Or how much subscribers do we have? I thought we could do a quadronics video. So I will be teaching you how to anbull. Now, I only just learned today, so I might forget some steps, but just remember to comment it on a short of me. Anyways, let's start off with the simple pose. Now remember to tuck in your fingers lightly. I'm going to move back so it's easier. And you see your fingers, they will be tucked in. It's like walking, so practice your walking first. Like that. Then make sure you combine those, but it's sort of like make it smoothly, so you don't go like this. Make it so your legs are like not going as high, but make sure you at least lift your hand, not like you're walking actually with your legs going like normal and smooth and faster. Just gotta lift up your chin, your hand, so to like near your chin, so like this. So it's a bit of a short space, you can't really see. So if I just, by the way guys, I only post on my mum's for shorts. Anyways, yes, so thank you for 75 subscribers. Yes, let's continue the videos. So walking is like this. Anbull is sort of the same, but you're going faster, and you have to make sure your hand is up near your chin, like not like this. And make sure your legs are smoothly, so sort of like this. Let me retry because my legs are bouncing. Anyways, that's all. Yeah, so I would like to thank you guys for 75 subscribers. Like, I know we can get to 100. If we get to 100, it's just gonna be a blast. I would make like a whole entire congratulations squishy box for it. By the way, no videos Sunday. Going to the movies to see this new movie called Elemental. Looks very interesting. So that was very weird. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this tonight, I hope to post more culture aerobics videos when I get better, and vocals, which I'm currently not good at because I'll try. I don't want to do it because my grandma's sleeping. Nah, I'll do it a next video. I'll just post it like in 1 second. Okay, anyways guys, enjoy your day or night. Goodbye guys.